Hey guys, hello and welcome to my video about the Guaranteed Downline Club compensation plan. I just want to introduce you to this video that I will be attaching, and in this video Martin Morse is going to show you how the compensation plan works in Guaranteed Downline Club. So guys, this is launching at the end of May. And I'm super excited about it. If you would like to join Guaranteed Downline Club under my link, you will be able to find it in the description down there below. Okay, and also when you join my list, I provide you with training on how to promote. Now you will get an email with a link to this page here that has a bunch of videos and what to do to start promoting Guaranteed Downline Club and building your own list. Now, don't worry if you don't see this video until after Guaranteed Downline Club launches, because even then you can, by then the link under this video will have changed to my affiliate link for Guaranteed Downline Club, and you'll still get the bonus training and you'll still be able to start promoting your actual affiliate link, okay? So without further ado, I'm going to pass you on to Martin Morse, who's going to show you this compensation plan. And please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you get more updates about Guaranteed Downline Club or Make Money Even or any just tips on how to make money on online and affiliate marketing. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to sign up to my list in the description below. I'll see you on the inside.
Hey team, Martin here from the Guaranteed Downline Club. I'm telling you right now, you're about to get excited. Very excited. I'm going to show you something here that you have not seen before. And you know, Roger and I, we put together this compensation plan for the Guaranteed Downline Club so people can make some really good money. And that's what we want. And not just make good money right now. And then later, once we launch into a paid program as the whole team, that you can make maybe 6 figures on your very first day in the paid program. So why not make money and build it up all this time while you're in Guaranteed Downline Club, and then turn around and make even more into the paid program? That's what this is for. So I'm going to show you here based on a 12-month period. We're going to show you for each month. We're going to show you the number you sponsored and the number you keep. Remember, we pass up every other member to our sponsor. So if you get 4 in, you're going to keep 2. If you get 10 in, you're going to keep 5. If you get 20, you're going to keep 10, right? And then we're going to show the number passed up to you and the number each month of how many new members that you'll get for that month. And at the end, we're going to find the total number of everyone that counts that you sponsored and that were passed up. And then it's going to show you that number here. And then we're going to show you how much money you can make with that. And then on top of it, we do have the money plugin. And the money plugin, we're going to show you how much you would get with the money plugin. Remember, money plugin will double your advertising. That's what it's for. It doubles your advertising effort, which means it'll double the amount of money you can make in Guaranteed Downline Club. And it also has its own compensation little plan built in too. So we're going to base this on if just 10% of the people who get the money plugin with you, if just 10% of the people that you get in, if you had the money plugin, were to get the money plugin, not all of them, just 10%, and of all those 10% that came, they only averaged 2 persons each, not 10% like you said, just 2. What would that mean for you? And the numbers should be much higher. But I mean, it blew us away. We weren't ready for this. We knew it. It's one thing to know it. It's another thing to see it in your face. And this is crazy, but I'm going to show you. Let's say you sponsored 4 people. The first month you got 4 people in. That means you're going to keep 2, right? The next month, those 2 people are going to pass up to you. But what if you just got in 4 and then you quit and you didn't do any more than that? You got 4 in. What would that mean for you if you had the money plugin? $46,683. Look at that, $46,683. How many did you sponsor? You only 4 the first month. And after that, it took a life of its own. You kept 2. Those 2 had to pass up to you. There's 4. Those 4 had to pass up to you. That was 8. Those 8 the next month passed up to, which is 16, and so on until you had over 8,190 people because of the right here, because of Guaranteed Downline Club. This is how much money you would make during that time frame. If you had the money plug-in, it would double the amount of people you had, and you would double the amount of money. This is just the money coming from the 50 cents. Now, let me point this out here first. This is not a guarantee of income. It is not a guarantee of income. I'll say it a third time. It is not a guarantee of income. This is for illustration purposes only. But remember what this is based on. This is based on your effort and then everyone only doing 2 pass-ups. That means everyone else is just averaging 4, they pass up 2. That's it. But I already told you before, if you've been to all our other webinars and stuff, we got people that are going to bring in 50. You got people that are going to bring in 100. There's one guy who'll probably bring in 1,000 on the first day of Guaranteed Downline Club launching. But now, let me tell you what's so exciting about this. Look here. Let's say you didn't have the money plug-in. Well, you got about 8,190 members during this time frame. Then we say, okay, we're going to launch into the paid program. Now, of course, we may launch a lot sooner than that, but the thing is, we're going to launch into a paid program. Have you ever joined a paid program knowing that you had a possibility of 8,190 people joining with you? And not only that, you will be their personal sponsor. So what does that mean? Well, let's say we join a paid program that also pays a bonus, $10 for every person you personally sponsored. Well, if you had, let's say only 2,000 were to join, 2,000, and they pay $10 per person you personally sponsored, you just made a $20,000 bonus. $20,000 on the first day just for the bonus. That doesn't even count all the money you make in the paid program. But we're not even in the paid program yet. This is what it shows right here. If you had the money plug-in, well, maybe it'd be around 4,000. You made about 40,000 as a bonus, not to mention what you make. Okay, but look how much higher this is. So how do we come up with the 46,000? Okay, well, this is easy to understand that you had 4, they passed up 2, they passed up 2, they passed up 2. That's normal. That's about and that's going to be doable for a free program to join that pays you to join the program. Now, this doesn't add the $5 you get, but this is also saying they're only doing 2. That's it. And we know already there are people will do. They'll do 20. They'll do 100 people. How long? Let's say. Let me show you something. This is it's exciting right here. Let's say over a 5-month period, you only sponsored 4 a month. Look how much money it is. $68,571. Okay? But you know what? Instead of doing 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, this makes 20, right? There's 20 total. What if you started off with 20? What if you had 20 people on the first month? Would that bring you more than $68,570 with the money plug-in? This is how much you get for the regular $6,000, right? That's how much you get with money plug-in. That's the total with money plug-in for everything. But let's do this here. That's 20. So, but let's say you did 20 in the first month. You think it's still going to be 68,000 right here, or you think it's going to be more? Well, if you said more, you're right, because it's going to be 233,415. Why is that? It's because when you start with the 20, you keep 10. They have to pass up 2. That'd be 20. Those 20 will pass up 2. That's 40. You don't think people can get 2 signups in a month? You don't think so? 4 signups in a month to pass up 2. Do you think they're not going to be able to do that with a free program that pays out money like this? It's going to be huge, folks. Our goal, right? Actually, our goal is to build at least 100,000 membership before we join the paid program. We may go past it. I've been in a program before when they first launched. They had over 1 million people join on the launch of a paid program, so much so it knocked down every server. They had more than one server set up. It knocked them all down. Everyone was excited about it. I want us to be those people. I want us to knock down those servers because we are making money. So again, you say, well, look here. That's what the money plug-in did. This is a compensation just for people with the money plug-in. If you don't have the money plug-in, maybe, and after the year, you make about 20,000. But if you just bought that money plug-in, I remember at one time, purchase it less than 20 bucks. And what happens? Boom. You could be making over a 6-figure income and in Guaranteed Downline Club before we join the paid program. Just think what that would mean to you if we did that. So how did we come up with this number? So it says you sponsor 8,190. So well, where did that come from? Well, look, in all actuality, you had sponsored 81,900. And we're just saying only 10%. I think there are going to be a lot more people than 10% are going to be joining into this here. But let's say that's it. This 81,900 got that's the amount of people you got because you had the money plug-in, but only 10% of them, 8,190, actually got the money plug-in. So if only 10% of all the people that you got in who just came in free and you're making money off of were to get that money plug-in, and if all those 8,190 people only averaged 2 in the money plug-in, only 2, not like you did, 10%. We're just saying 2. That's it. 2 and 2. What does that come out to? That comes out to $192,000. So I think our product is rightfully named the money plug-in, because if you get the money plug-in, you are plugging in money. You are plugging in double the people. You're plugging in double the commissions, and it just explodes with what you get from the money plug-in itself in that compensation plan. So remember, you can do all this. And you don't have to get a bunch, even if you did only 4 in the first time. That's still not bad. 46,000. That's not bad. You didn't do enough the next month. Maybe you did 8 on the third month. Now you're at 58,000. Maybe you did 12 on the 5th month, and maybe you got busy and you did. Let's do 8 here. Look at this. It gets higher and higher as you go by. So maybe the 8th month you did another 12. Then you did a 4. This that last month you jumped in there with maybe 8. But look at this here. $64,000. That's if you just did a little bit of stuff and everyone only did 2. They only did 2 passes. Remember, they're going to be doing the same thing. They're going to be doing their 4. They're going to be doing 8. They're going to be doing a 12. They're going to do 8. It's going to be going like this. Some people might not sponsor every month, but they'll get a bunch because this is a free program. Free to join. Still make money with it, even with something very little. That is remarkable. That will definitely be remarkable in the paid program. You might be in this position right here, even not like we saw where you had 20 people in there, but this thing on the paid program, when all those people follow you in there, if just 10% of the people followed you in there, that'd be 1,638 people. 1,638. Times 10, that's over $16,000, right? As a bonus in the paid program. And as we get closer to launch, if we get enough members, what we're going to do is start giving you information about the paid program. But by the time to join the paid program, you won't even care how much it costs because of all the money you'd be making. Look at this here. Do you want this? Let's do 10. Let's just do 10. Look at that, 116. If you did 10 the first month, that could be. So a lot of you I know already are getting you're building your list now. A lot of you got our splash pages that you're using to build your list. So when we launch, you're going to have a lot more than just 10 people join that program. No, I mean join the Guaranteed Downline program underneath you. You're going to get a lot more because you're already building right now. And if you still want to get those lists, even after we launch, people are going to be getting our splash pages to help build the list even faster for them. But the thing is, this is what you do. If you haven't been trying to get people lined up, you need to do it now. Get those people lined up because this is what you could be doing. Just think about it. How would you like to make 6 figures long before we go into the paid program? Isn't that amazing? So when I saw this, it just blew me away. And that's not to mention if you just kept doing more the next month, and maybe just some more the next month, and just some more the next month. Like that. And it just goes on and on and on. Actually, let's do it like that to make it nice and even. Look at that. Even if just something like that. Look at that. It just gets more and more. It's up to you. But even if you just started off and you stopped which I don't think you will because you make a lot more. This could be you. Sponsor 10, keep 5. They pass up 2, who pass up 2, who pass up 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Total 20,475. If you got the money plug in, you actually got 40,950. If you don't have the money plug in, you can make $10,237.50 in the regular pay of the program, the 50 cents per person. If you got the money plug in, you can make $20,475. And if you have the money plug in, you also get to participate in the 3-level matrix it has there that throws you up to 116,000. So it's up to you. It's up to you. Do you want to make 10,000 or do you want to make 116,000? Right? Again, it's not a guarantee of income, but remember, we're saying everyone's only passing 2, and you know a lot of people are going to pass 2, and they'll pass 4, and they'll pass 8, and if they don't do that, they're going to be in your money plug-in. They're going to be in your money plug-in. You'll be in your money plug-in. Probably about 10% of the people that get it can make it that much. This is amazing. You've probably never seen anything like this. I know I'm excited about it. You should be excited about it. Get ready. Get ready to us when we open the doors to Guaranteed Downline Club. And if we've already opened it, if you're watching this and we already opened, because I'm going to keep this video going, then you can see what you could be making right now. But join quickly, because we just started. You want to be in on this. You want to make this type of money. But the best thing is, even if you start it down here on the 7th month, it still builds the same way. It keeps making as much. Over 12 months, you can have that here, because Guaranteed Downline Club is going to go year after year after year, building you up so much money is unbelievable. And we'll join multiple paid programs each year. We'll be joining paid programs that will make you even more. This is mind-blowing. It is exciting. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and get ready for a most profitable future for you and all of us. Y'all take care. Bye-bye for now.